Ang bola sa basket. May bola sa basket, kulay orange ang bola, pang basketball ito. Naglalaro si kuya, mahusay siyang mag-shoot. Gusto niya ng basketball. Palagi siyang nagpa-practice. Nangangarap siyang maging sikat na manlalaro. Ang bola sa basket. When we say bola, that's a ball. And then basket is basket. Or like a basketball ball. So, the basketball ball or the ball at the basket or on the basket. So, that can also be may bola sa basket. So, may means there is or there are. So, there is a ball on the basket. Kulay orange ang bola. When we say kulay, that's color. And then, so the color of the ball is orange. Pang basketball ito. So, this is for basketball. Naglalaro si kuya. When we say laro, that means play, to play. Naglalaro, that's present tense. And then, kuya is like big brother. So, big brother is playing. Mahusay siyang mag-shoot. Mahusay means very good or excellent. Siya is he or she. So, he's good in shooting when it comes to shooting. Gusto niya ng basketball. Gusto is like, so he likes basketball. Palagi siyang nagpa-practice. When we say palagi, that means always. So he's always practicing. Nangangarap siyang maging sikat na manlalaro. So he's dreaming or he's aiming or he wants to be a famous player. And we say sikat, that's famous, and then manlalaro is a player. So he dreams of becoming a famous player. Ang bola sa basket. May bola sa basket. Kulay orange ang bola. Pang basketball ito. Naglalaro si kuya, mahusay siyang mag-shoot. Gusto niya ng basketball. Palagi siyang nagpa-practice. Nangangarap siyang maging sikat na manlalaro. Ang bola sa basket.